Cumin seeds are very common in Indian kitchens. Cumin is rich in iron and antioxidants. It is a great antiseptic agent. Cumin increases lactation in lactating mothers. It improves blood circulation in the body. It also regulates blood sugar levels. There's a way you can make sure your regular diet has cumin in it. Just dry roast the cumin seeds for 2 to 3 minutes and then grind them into a nice fine powder. You can store this powder in an airtight jar for retaining its freshness for a longer time. Now this powder is a substitute for cumin seeds because you can add it in almost every curry recipe on a regular basis for more taste. Here's a small home remedy for treating flatulence and aiding weight loss. Add cumin seeds to the boiling water. Boil until the cumin flavor is fully infused into the water. Transfer the cumin water to a cup and have it hot. This helps reduce flatulence, and regular intake of this water shows great improvement in removing toxins from the body, thereby resulting in weight loss.